Hey guys, so today I'm at Yasaka Shrine and I'm filming a travel video, sort of like a little short that I made of myself. And right now it is kind of empty. It's not as much people as it normally is, and I saw it on, a couple of nights ago and it was really crowded, so I decided to come here in the morning and it was perfect. So I'm walking towards Kyoto Yodobashi. It is a camera multimedia store. It's also sort of like a department store in Kyoto as well. Yeah, it's been a great day this morning. The weather has been holding up quite nicely compared to the rain a couple days ago. And today I wanted to create content. I went to the Yasaka Shrine as well as a little bit of the Kyoto Imperial Palace around there, the park over there. And now I'm hungry, so I want to get some food and I want to just go and buy some clothes and look around. And for some reason it's kind of hard to find food today because I don't know, it's either I'm picky or I've been having a lot of good food lately, so maybe standards are a little higher. I guess it doesn't hurt to try their Burger King or fast food place. I've always wanted to try it in Asia. Decided to get Burger King because I was curious to try their burger here. I'm pretty hungry and haven't had American food in Asia, so giving it a shot. Seems like everything is just lucky to me today because right after I left, now there's a crowd waiting in line at Burger King. So same thing happened today where I was at the Yasaka Shrine and I was there just early enough so that I could get my content before the crowd came. So I'm at Kyoto Yodobashi and bought myself a few accessories. I got the lens cleaner, where you spray air in it, and then I also got the capture clip because I lost it on the way here to Japan and I really wanted to use it. So I got a replacement here. I figured for the rest of my trip I would definitely need that because some days I want to be hands-free. So yeah, this was a really good decision to come here so that I could just kind of stock up on utility again. And oh my god, there's so many different camera things here. It's overwhelming. It's super overwhelming. So I feel like it's very easy to get carried away when it comes to shopping. So my motto, I guess, would be if I don't need it, I'm not going to buy it. So whatever I need right now, which is clothes, I'm definitely going to buy clothes. These pants look really interesting. Probably might get them. Maybe with these shoes too, I don't know. So I'm having a hard time trying to find plain t-shirts here. Not sure. I'm like walking around for like 10 minutes looking at winter wear and stuff, but oh shit, never mind, I found it. Alright, so bought my pants at Uniqlo. I bought 3 pants for around $60, so it's actually not bad. I think it's a good deal, and these pants fit really nicely because the whole trip I've been trying to pull up my pants and I realized like I need a belt or just better pants. So now I'm figuring out how I'm gonna do laundry because I didn't quite find shirts that I wanted over there. They weren't in stock for the ones I wanted, but figured, you know, just might as well just wait and buy at home. If I really need shirts, I'm just going to, in the meantime, do my laundry. I might want to buy a jacket though. I might want to come back and buy a jacket.